Here's how to download YouTube videos for offline viewing. So for that, you need to go ahead and launch your YouTube application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Go to that specific video and tap on it. Then after, you'll get the three dots in the right hand side of the screen. Select it and you'll get three different options in the bottom, which is save, download, and report. Go ahead and select download. Now select either high or medium, but in this case, it is requiring YouTube Premium. So if you have YouTube Premium, you can go ahead and download any video on YouTube. If not, select the video that is available for offline download. Tap on the three dots from the right hand side of the screen, select download, and there you'll see the option of download quality in the top, which is not indicated in the YouTube Premium section. Now select either medium or low, which is a 360p and 144p. Select whichever quality you prefer, then tap on download, which is highlighted in blue color, and you can access it whenever you want without any Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. In the case if you do not know how to access the download section, go to your YouTube profile, then scroll down and you'll get the option of downloads that is between your videos and films. Go ahead and select downloads and you'll get all the download videos in this section. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.